just purchased this, and I'm hoping that it improves the picture of the VHS home video transfer that I'm trying to do. And they helped before in the past, and these things are very difficult to find today because nobody really uses VHS tapes anymore. This is the one I purchased from Amazon. Nothing else in there. And it comes with a microfiber cloth. I don't know why. And this is a dry VHS head cleaner. So let's go over some of the things that it says in the manual, or the head cleaner manual. Okay, these are requests for review. All right. Okay, up to 30 times. All right, pretty simple. Oh, this is the wet one. And okay, they give you additional cleaning tools to clean the TV, which is the screen that you're using this on. Nice looking color. I think my wife would like this color. And it will. Okay, cool. She can use it for her iPad. Always use a microfiber on your phones, your iPads, and your glasses. Do not use your shirt. It scratches the glass. Let me eject the tape. Let me put the head cleaner in. It was jumping up and down. Let me see if it looks better. I'm sorry, I didn't videotape that part. But it was jumping up and down. I hope that this does the job. There's nothing else I can do anyway. I'm going to not remove the tab. The tab, if you remove it, it auto plays and it saves it from recording. But since you can't record on this, it's fine. And I'm going to press the play and leave it for 60 seconds. "60 seconds is the complete tape. It just stopped and it's rewinding now. So I counted up to 60 and it's just stopped automatically, and now it's rewinding. So you can just leave it play until it ends and it rewinds, and according to the instructions, you can use it up to 30 times. Now let me eject. And let me put the VHS tape back in and see how it's playing. Much, much better than it was. It was jumping up and down. I'm actually doing transfer to recording some of my home videos. These are videotapes of our talent shows at my old high school. And I'm trying to get them digitized. So it seems to be working just fine. Yeah, it's looking much, much, much better. Wow, some real old school stuff. This is very early 80s videotaping from back in the day. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope that this helps you as well as it helped me. I'm happy with it. I can't do nothing about the quality. It is very old quality, so there's just, you know, it's just what it is. All right, so I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. That's the tape. Bye now.